Hello everyone, welcome to Mifratech. So today in this section I'm going to explain how to install the different ML packages needed both for front end and back end for this forest fire prediction project. So first we'll go to project folder. So this is the project folder forest fire prediction. So here there is a requirement text document is there. So just double click on this one. So here the requirements has you open. So these are the different packages we need to install. So Flask, NumPy, Pandas, PyMySQL and Scikit-learn. These are the different packages we need to install in our system. Here Flask, NumPy, Pandas, you can install any versions, but PyMySQL and Scikit-learn, make sure that these particular versions only you should install. Otherwise, if you are installing other versions, there is a chance of getting the error is there. So how to install them in your system is just go to search bar, type cmd here. So the command prompt will open. So just double click on this one. So this is what the command prompt window. Now type cd, that is change directory. Go to file explorer or file manager in your system. Inside that one, there is a local disk C. Within that program files folder will be there. So within that again Python 36, again scripts. So this is the exact path where the Python ideally 3.6.8 has been installed in your system. So just copy the exact path, go back to command prompt. After cd, just paste that path, click on enter. Now path has been changed successfully. So how to install those packages? Before that, make sure that internet is connected to your system. So after that, type a pip install the name of the package numpy hyphen user. So this is the exact command we need to get type and click on enter. So if you're installing for the first time, it will show like it will download. After that, it will show successfully installed. But in my system, all these packages I have already installed, so it will show requirement already satisfied. See, numpy is already there in my system. So next, we need to install pandas. So same command pip install. Only the name of the packages changes. Pip install pandas hyphen user. Click on enter. See here, the requirement already satisfied. So this particular pandas also already there in my system. So next we need to install scikit-learn. Like I told for scikit-learn, this particular version only I need to install. So copy the entire line, go scikit-learn entire line, go back to command prompt. So type same command pip install. Now instead of pandas, now type paste that link that scikit-learn with the version 0.22 hyphen user. Click on enter. See here, requirement already satisfied. So this particular scikit also already there in my system. So next we need to install Flask. The command is pip install flask Flask. So here I will enter that one flask Flask hyphen is a click on enter. See here, requirement already satisfied. So this Flask also already there in my system. So next we need to install is PyMySQL. So this PyMySQL, this particular version only you need to install. Copy the entire line, go back to command prompt. After pip install, paste that whatever you just now copied, PyMySQL with version hyphen user. Click on it. So requirement already satisfied. So now observe here. Flask installed NumPy over Pandas, PyMySQL, Scikit-learn. So have installed all the different packages needed both for front end and back end for this forest fire prediction installed successfully in my system. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.